this video, I'm going to quickly give an overview of Cisco certification, that is CCNA Service Provider. Now, before we get into the actual CCNA Service Provider paper information, we'll just talk about a brief on who are exactly the service providers. Now, service providers actually refers to the company which offers some services. So here we'll talk about internet service providers. So typically when a customer, let's say I'm a customer, a home user who requires to access internet. So what we'll do is we'll contact the local service provider to connect to the internet, and the service provider connects to the another network service provider. And throughout the world, you got multiple service providers who actually interconnects to provide the internet access. So basically here in the CCNA Service Provider course, our main focus will be on understanding the different technologies which are used by the service providers and the different devices used by the service providers, like the normal iOS routers along with the XR routers, and how exactly they operate, maintain their own networks. So typically, like I said, this service provider majorly focuses on service provider technologies here. So we are going to learn how to implement, configure and troubleshoot the service provider networks. Now these service providers actually they purchase the bandwidth from the main service providers, and then they are going to share that to the multiple customers. Now depending upon what level of service provider we use, we have different tiers actually, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 service providers. So I'll be getting in more in details in the later on section actually. So that's what service provider actually deals with. So these are some of the list of names of the major service providers like AT&T. You can see depending upon the regions, because every region have their own service providers depending upon the city, state or country wise. We have multiple network service providers who span over the country, or even they connect multiple different countries. So the CCNA Service Provider majorly deals with how exactly the service provider operates. And the CCNA Service Provider majorly deals with two papers here. We got SPNG1 and SPNG2. Probably in our course we'll be seeing these two papers in the same part actually.